What if you never had to remember Excel formulas again? Microsoft has just added a powerful new Copilot feature in Excel that lets you write formulas using plain English. Let's see how it works. Excel is the backbone of data analysis, reporting, and business operations. But remembering formulas like SUMIFS, VLOOKUP, or nested ifs can be frustrating, especially for beginners. Microsoft is now solving this problem with AI-powered Copilot inside Excel. Microsoft has introduced an on-grid Copilot prompt in Excel. This tool allows you to describe what you want in natural language, and Copilot automatically generates the correct formula for you. You don't need to memorize syntax anymore. First, select the cell where you want the final result. Type equals symbol. Now, type an equals sign just like starting a normal formula. Instead of writing a formula, simply describe your requirement. For example, type calculate total profit. Copilot instantly generates the formula and even shows you a preview of the result. If the result looks correct, click Keep it. If not, discard it and try again with a better description. This Copilot tool can do much more than basic calculations. It can modify existing formulas, work across different sheets, and refine formulas based on more detailed instructions, all using natural language. However, there are a few limitations. Currently, Copilot can generate only one formula for one range at a time. And this feature is available only to Microsoft 365 Copilot users using Excel for the web. Microsoft has confirmed that support for more complex and multiple formula generation is being considered in future updates. This feature is perfect for beginners who struggle with formulas, and also for advanced users who want to save time and focus on insights instead of syntax. If you found this update useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Microsoft and tech updates, and let me know in the comments, would you trust AI to write your Excel formulas?